told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're talking about Sissy Sheridan, a talented actress, singer, and digital creator who has built a strong presence both on screen and on social media. Sissy Sheridan was born on June 15th, 2004 in Washington, D.C. Her zodiac sign is Gemini, and she is currently 21 years old. She started her journey in entertainment at a young age and first gained attention through stage performances. She was actively involved in community theater and trained as a dancer in tap, ballet, and jazz, which helped shape her performance skills. Her career took a major step forward when she landed a recurring role as Asia in the Netflix series Maniac, where she worked alongside big names in the industry. She later became even more popular after joining the cast of the hit web series Chicken Girls, playing the role of Angie. She also hosted the Nickelodeon web series DIY with Me, showing her creative and energetic personality beyond acting. Sissy is also known for her strong online presence. She has built a loyal fan base on Instagram and is represented by WME, while also being connected with USC education. In her personal life, she has an older brother named Julian and grew up with 3 dogs. She was also romantically linked to social media. Creator Sunani Seljuk. Overall, Sissy Sheridan continues to grow as a multi-talented artist, inspiring many young fans through her work, confidence, and dedication. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, VI.